In this video, we are going to see how we can add a YouTube handle link directly to your Facebook profile so that whenever someone wants to follow your YouTube channel, they can visit your Facebook profile and they should be able to get that social links. So I've already copied the link from my YouTube channel. You can easily find it by just writing your name simply. Let's say like this. And you visit your YouTube profile. And you should be able to see this handle link. Copy that, and once you do that, go ahead and click on the profile page. In the about section, you scroll down a little bit, and where it says links, click on that, and where it says contact info, click on that. And from here, if you want to add the YouTube channel link like this and it's not already added, you click on this edit sign or the little pencil icon. And after that, you can remove any link or you can add any. Click on add a social link. We just enter this URL in the username. And from here, we'll specify that this is for YouTube. And we hit save. Just wait for a moment to save it. And after that, it will show up like this. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. After that, whenever anyone wants to visit your YouTube channel, they can directly click on this link and they should be able to open or access your channel. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.